this is the zone the market opened. We expected the market will stay in downtrend. So our expectation was, yesterday's expectation was that the crude will stay in downtrend and it will continue its downtrend. So let's see what happened. After the market opening, the market continuously dropped. See, this is a very good drop. The market dropped around almost around 50 points. The market dropped here, and after that, after reaching this zone, it gave a very clear bounce back, and it reached around near 3880, which is a very major resistance for the market. After reaching this resistance, there was a continuous drop, and it completely retested this. The gain, whatever gained in the morning, was retested in the evening session. So there was a huge drop after that, and then it bounced back and closed around 3835. And today we are expecting crude oil market to open above 3880. This shows that the market can go for a buying today, because see, the opening, the open, and also the closing is above the opening, and also today's opening is above the previous day's high. So that indicates that there can be a good buying in the crude oil market. This indicates that there can be good buying in the crude oil market, so we can go for a buying today. But one thing we should remember, this is the zone we should remember. So 3880 and 3860. So if the price is going to stay below this zone or within the zone, that is a 50-50 chance for buying and selling. That means that if the price is staying within this zone, you should be very careful that the price can also drop. By taking a resistance here, it can also drop. But if the price is staying above 3880, it can continuously go for a buy trend, and it can reach 3960 and 3000, 4000, and also more higher. And also if the price is staying above, surely we can expect 4000 to 4020. So not today, or it can be tomorrow. If the price is staying above 3880, and if you are expecting any closing above this zone, surely you can expect this 4020 zone. So let us see what's going to happen today, but care should be taken, and you should monitor this zone 3880 and 3860 very carefully. Let's see what's going to happen today. Happy trading. Bye.